What's up, people? This is another episode of Travel to Me. I'm Tumi, and today I'm walking down the empty streets of Saranda. We are at the outskirts of the city, walking through our way to the beach. There is a rocky sand beach. Claire is with me. Yes, there is a natural one, Claire says. And on that way we was talking about different topics. One topic which I wanted to discuss today is the development of tourism in southern Albania, especially in Ksamil and Saranda. Claire, you was talking to a supermarket, grocery store woman who told you that people are not consuming any much as last year. Can you explain a bit further?
Yes, the lady was telling me that last year there were fewer tourists in numbers,
Yes.
but they were spending in more expensive choices like restaurants or hotels or
Yeah,
things that are like in premium prices, let's
Yeah.
say.
yeah,
While this year there have been more tourists in terms of numbers,
yes,
but they are spending less. They are choosing cheaper options like souvlaki or fast food options that you can find in the street. So they are not doing a lot of money compared to last year.
So people are not consuming in restaurants. They are going for the cheaper places like souvlaki, döner, kebab, those kind of places. Especially there are young people, you said, from Italy who come here for like a party weekend or maybe a week,
Exactly,
and that's why
because we are very also close in terms of distance.
it's very close culturally and also in terms of distance. Also interesting, which I've seen, you know, when you go outside of the center, you see like a lot of beautiful trees and spaces. Let me show you here the alley we are walking down. You see here a lot of beautiful trees and quite empty streets, very pleasant to go through. And
Lovely
also
people.
of course
That
the
assist you with everything.
lovely Albanian culture and the people. Another question which came up to my mind was the situation of dirt and oh, look at this beautiful place here. Let me show these to the people.
This is a typical Albanian house full of flowers and full of, let's say, fruits. For example, you have the grapes. Everybody grow it in their own yards and then they sell it in the market afterwards. But the flowers, especially in the south, they are very much liked, and every house has their own flowers and the women take care of them, and also for the fruits like tomatoes or vegetables like cucumbers, and everything is fresh. So whatever you see in the market is made from the landlords here.
It's made from the landlords, and what I wanted to say also before we saw this beautiful place was that here on the ground you see quite no dirt, no trash on the streets. That's very nice. And when we was walking like earlier, there was like a lot of trash in the streets. So you said it's also changing.
Yeah, it's changing. Because most of the cities, especially in the south, they have a very nice culture of keeping care of their streets, because also during communism people used to take care of their
Yes.
own yards and their own neighborhoods, so they are used to clean. But I think the reason why you see so many dirt in the street is because of the boom of the tourists. We do not still have the capacities to, let's say, face in the properest way the number of tourists that are coming. So a lot of them have come, maybe they do
So
not.
you mean maybe there are too many tourists and
too little capacities for the moment
for the moment?
to
Yeah.
take care for all of that.
Look at this beautiful backyard again. This is another
Look at also the boats there.
beautiful place which I want to show you. It's a bit outside of the city center, but you see a lot of beautiful things. You see a fig tree over here, and you see
Which we have
also
it here also.
a grape tree over here. Beautiful grapes. So yeah, as you can see, there are a lot of things to do and to see in Saranda. We are walking towards a natural rocky beachside, and here you see people already dipping into this beautiful crystal clear water. And also, which is fascinating, is this wonderful tree over there. It's the only tree actually, but it looks very nice. It's rocky, but it's a very, very nice place. I'm happy that we made it here. The walk was quite a walk. It was like 15-20 minutes, but now
We got to enjoy the view
it got really, it paid off, as I would say.
But
It's
also
really beautiful.
The way was very calm and very clear and very clean. So
You
we
see also
enjoyed
other
it.
people over there. Yes, and I think that's let's get right into it. Wonderful crystal clear water, you can see it here. Perfect to have your first swim in Albania. If you come to Saranda, check out this place.